Yeah, so I'm going to think out loud here. You've got a lot of people moving to Florida each day. I think the last number I heard was like 1,100 people a day, something crazy like that. Well, let's figure out where those people are coming from. Why are they leaving New York? Why are they leaving California? Why are they leaving Colorado now? A lot of states that people are currently flocking to are North and South Dakota because they're not shutting down during this crazy COVID stuff. So where are the people in Zolfo Springs? I forget what county that is. Don't even say what county it is. We don't have to talk about that on this. But look in the county assessors at the neighbors' lots and see where these people's mailing addresses are at. Like, for instance, my father in Florida, he figured out that an area that people own a lot of, area that he's investing in, there was a lot of out-of-state owners and they're in Illinois. Well, there's something to do with Illinois and Florida. So that's where I would market to those people. Buy, sell groups in Illinois or Michigan, buy, sell groups in California, wherever these people are at. You might find like, for instance, I was selling a lot of Costilla County, Colorado land to people in Ohio, Cincinnati, Cleveland, places like that. I couldn't figure out why. Well, we looked at the time of the year. It was December, and it was really nasty in Ohio and sunny in Colorado in December. So they were like, well, let's just buy a piece of land. And I don't even know how they were finding us. We weren't as smart enough to get on, buy sell groups at that time. Now that's one of the best things for us. And it costs you $0 to advertise. So I would put that land on buy sell group, marketplace, Craigslist. Let's just say they're coming from, your buyers for Zolfo are coming from Washington, D.C. Craigslist.